GlideX RV is your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews, detailed specifications, and feature breakdowns of the latest products in 2025. Toyota has added yet another SUV to its lineup, and this one wears the Crown Signia nameplate. As a crossover sibling to the Crown sedan, it replaces the Venza as Toyota's two-row, midsize offering. A hybrid powertrain is the only choice, offering 243 horsepower, 30-plus mpg, and standard all-wheel drive. It features more luxurious interior finishings than other Toyota models, with nicer materials and an upscale design. And it promises both more space and more capability, including towing, than the Venza. Many premium features are available as options, and the Crown Signia is quiet and comfortable on the road, if not exactly engaging to drive. Despite its luxurious bent, the Crown Signia is priced competitively to compete with mainstream models such as the Honda Passport, the Hyundai Santa Fe, and the Nissan Murano. As one of the best options in its segment, the Toyota Crown Signia has earned a spot on the Editor's Choice list for 2025. The Crown Signia is a new offering, and it fits into the Toyota lineup in a similar position as the Venza that it replaces. It's larger than the compact RAV4 but smaller than the three-row Highlander, and its starting price is more expensive than both. At the test track, the Crown Signia reached 60 miles per hour in 7.0 seconds, a comparable time to other midsize hybrid SUVs. The Crown Signia's interior is similar to the Crown sedans, with high-quality materials and a pleasant-looking dashboard design. The standard upholstery is a combination of cloth and vinyl in the XLE model, while the limited trim upgrades to leather seat. The two-row seating setup offers space for 5 passengers, and there's a generously sized cargo area that expands when you fold the rear seat. A panoramic sunroof is optional and makes for an airier feel, and both tan and black interior color options are available. Toyota has equipped the Crown Signia with a wide range of safety and driver assistance features. All models come standard with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. These features enhance both safety and convenience, making the Crown Signia a great choice for families and daily commuters alike. The price of the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia starts at $44,985 and goes up to $49,385 depending on the trim and options. With its premium design, hybrid efficiency, and competitive pricing, it stands as a strong contender in the midsize SUV category. If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and feature-packed SUV with great fuel economy, the Crown Signia is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned for more reviews, specs, and features of the latest 2025 models here on GlideX RV. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content, and we look forward to sharing more exciting reviews with you soon.